Okay, welcome to CODJ Jatisari. Now, I will explain you about the how to make good eyes. If your eyes is myopia. You know myopia is rabun dekat, rabun jauh ya. So, if you see the little text in the far away, you cannot read it. How to read it without the glasses? Just make just use your finger like this and make your eyes close one and make like this. And look at that. And make focusing little circle and you can read the text. Okay, this is camouflage of the glasses here. Okay, like this, yeah, like this. Little like this, and make your focus to the text, and you can read the text. Okay, like this. Please try it. I have tried and a good result. Yeah, I don't need the glasses. I just use this one. Okay. If you think this video is cool, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.